Hello everybody, this is Zan with Lingo Mii. This is our Lingo Mii student login page. We enter our email, then password and sign in. Now we can see our average score and the days of the week we have studied. We have our current homework, past homework, and our class review. Current homework is in gold. Jenny Smith has assigned us this homework, so she will be highlighted in gold. Now we can see what type of homework we have and when it's due by. We have our word, sentence, and conversation curriculum. We always start with word. Lav. So now I get to see some details on the word I just said. I start with accent, then I go to rhythm, and now I get to see the intonation. But now I want to see why I got my word messed up. So it brings me to this page, and I can see my was supposed to be I get to follow some tips, and then I get to see a video, and then a picture of what my mouse should look like. If I want to practice, I click here and we go to a practice page. Let's exit out of this. And we get back to our scoring page, and then finally we get to see an overall score. After that, we go back to our homework page and sentences are available. This has the same mock-up as words, where we read and then we record. After recording, we get graded, and we still have our 3 down here. We have accent, rhythm, and intonation. But I want to know what word I messed up on, so I click a word. Now it shows that I should have done the D sound and not the T sound. I still get my tips, my video, and my picture. Alright, let's exit here. Go back to our scoring page, see our total score for sentences now, and now click conversation at the main screen. On the left side, we're going to see what the AI says. The right side is what we're going to say. We click it, we say it, we get graded. We still have our 3. We have accent, rhythm, and intonation. Now I want to see what word I messed up on. While I was trying to say making, I can see part of the word, so I'll have to scroll for the rest. I had to actually say better. So it shows me the tip for that, it shows me the video for that, and it shows me the picture for that. Alright, let's exit one more time. Then we can go see our final conversation score. Now, since we're done, we go home, and congratulations, we're done with our homework. But now, if we want more practice, we can do our past homework, or we can do our class review. This is our Lingo Mii teacher login page. Email and password are required. Here we have our dashboard, and to the left we get to see the items inside that dashboard. If we scroll down, we get to see the students' total practice times, and we can see the trends, such as in May there was a dip, and the total score trend, where there was also a dip. We can say they're correlated, and possibly that there was a break. In our student list, we can see all of our students. We'll click Olivia and see student details. On the top, we just get to see some basic information. And then if we scroll down, we can see her trend. First, her score trends, which in May she also had a dip. And then in her practice time, she also had a dip. We can assume that all the students then were on vacation. If we go down a little bit more, we get to see her top 5 weakest IPA. And then we get to see the milestones that she has completed or has not completed during the time of her study. Let's see what's under history. History gets to show everything Olivia had done. It shows all of her IPA and shows the scoring. The turquoise color shows the ones that she's doing really well with. The darker one shows where she's excelling, and the lighter color is showing where she's struggling. If we scroll down a little bit more, we get a list of content of what she had practiced, such as sentences and scores. But if we click one, we get to see the details of that content. When we scroll up, we also get to see an overall score, and we get to see the details of those scores. The best part is we can hear what Olivia said. As a teacher, this is very beneficial because we get to remember exactly what mistakes she made and see how we can help her next. Alright, we'll click the homework button next, and then this will bring us to our homework list. Our homework list is all the homework we've already created, but let's say we want to delete one because we accidentally put it in there. We'll go to the left side and check the box, and then we can go and press the delete button. But let's say everything's okay. We can go to assign homework. Then through here, we are going to check which one we would like to send to the students, select the date, and then press Assign. This will then automatically send to the student's application. Now, let's go to our material list. So here we have our previous homework, and we notice there's no week 8, so we have to delete the other one from our material list. We click the new button, and now we put in our subject name, we register it, and then now we can register all the words we want here. We can add new if we have more than 5 words, and make sure we're in the same subject. Next, we can go to our sentences. Then here we're also going to put in the sentences that we think are appropriate for the lesson, add new if there's more than 5, and go to our conversation tab. Here we have our robot and student selection. We put in our sentences that we think are appropriate again. And since we only have 4 sentences, that's fine, we just leave the last one blank. Once the teacher has verified all the information is correct, they'll hit the register button. That will be sent to the homework page. From the homework page, they'll then send it to the student application. We also have a CSV upload function where a teacher can upload their document and then it'd be turned into text elements. They then can be placed into the word, sentence, or conversation field. Thank you so much, and this was Lingo Mii.